Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.3% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 5.8% in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold gain 0.8% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil dollar pair skyrocketed 1.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices gained as a recent rally in the US dollar and Treasury yields showed signs of fatigue ahead of crucial inflation and jobs data this week that could define the outlook for interest rates. The dollar briefly hit a 9-month high against the Japanese yen and dipped against a basket of currencies as investors waited on key data due later this week and kept an eye out for potential intervention to shore up the struggling Japanese currency. The Bitcoin price could be ready for its next move after almost 2 weeks of consolidation. The anticipation comes as the US market has 3 key macroeconomics this week: the Consumer Confidence Report, Core Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, and non-farm payrolls later in the week.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's large retailer sales at 2350 GMT. The US ADP employment change at 1215 GMT. The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 1230 GMT. Germany's import price index at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's retail trade at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.